President Emmerson Mnangagwa has been vehemently attacked by his last appearance at the National Heroes Eka panguva ino nema-images awo ari kubuditswa achiva rolled out. Panguva ino nema-critics otora advantage kana mukana wekuataka mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe. Saka namashoko ma-fresh attacks ari kunokunzi they are being directed kune mutungamiri wenyika panguva ino. Don't wasubscribe, walike, turn on the bell icon. Timira panapa Bhaindu Akerina Mujati anoposta this picture ramuri kuona remutungamiri wenyika Emmerson Mnangagwa and the first lady wamuri kuona ava. Panapa anopinda obuda nyora achiti, good evening Zimbabwe. This image should serve as a wake-up call to every Zimbabwean who still believes in the illusion of ED 2030. Look closely. Does this man, stiff and visibly frail, truly look like someone ready to steer a nation to prosperity by 2030? The posture says it all. Tired, disconnected, and propped up by Jugananda handlers. Is this the version of leadership we want for us and the future? Question mark. To Auxilia, surely there must be mirrors in the State House. The outfit was less of a statement and more of a misplaced theater costume. If she was about to break into a Jaganation dance, we might have been more forgiving. At least that would match the drama that comes along with her cross character. Zimbabweans deserve leaders with the dignity, test, and purpose. Instead, we are saddled with a cast of looters and performers draped in garish fabrics and hollow slogans. This is not just about fashion, it is about what these images represent: a country trapped in delusion while the elite live in denial. Let's stop dressing up Mnangagwa failure and start demanding better. In Mukanya, Chiwenga, and Mini Baloyi, Zimbabwe can still hope and dream. Masoja anosvika kure. Ndo message inoinyogwa panapa. Aiwa, mna Kerina Mujati achiataka aiwa the top leadership yenyika yeZimbabwe pamwe chete aiwa nevanhu vanodresa aiwa the first lady Auxilia Mnangagwa achiataka even their appearance. Mbotudza mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinai comment section medu mafungiro enyu. Musana subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.